Today's project is a yarn bowl. This is Bob Jennings from the WoodPile. Thanks for joining us. Every wood turner has a knitter in their family. Here's a quick little project that I'm sure a family member will appreciate receiving from you. This is the blank that I rough turned about a year ago, and during the dry out process there was some significant distortion. There's almost a ½ inch difference in the diameter from the dry out. And as well, the piece is wobbly, very much distorted as it shrunk more in one direction than the other. First step is to mount the bowl and redo the tenon. My Vicmark chucks have dovetail jaws, so I always have to put a slight taper on my tenons. I have a custom ground scraper that I use to finish off my tenons. It's critical when using this tool to avoid catching both the side of the tenon and the bottom of the bowl. If you do that simultaneously, you'll get a nasty catch. I'm doing a bit of shaping on the bottom of the bowl right now before I reverse chuck it, otherwise it won't have access to that side when I do reverse it. This part hasn't been trued up yet, and in the slow motion footage you can clearly see how much distortion there is from the dry out process. The first few passes on the inside are a bit rough. It's bouncing from the wobble. But as I take off a bit more material, it'll smooth right out. I'm using a brad point drill bit to drill this slot in the bowl. If I'd use a conventional twist bit, I'd probably blow through the backside and make a big mess. A spindle sander makes quick work of this slot, but if you don't have a spindle sander, just a round file will do fine. Well, there you have it, a yarn bowl project. Make one for the knitter in your family. I know they'll truly appreciate it. Well, that's a wrap for this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, consider subscribing. Thumbs up and comments are always appreciated. Well, thanks for watching. Stay safe.